Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. I'm Shakista. Today's special, one of the most popular Uzbek sweet, Chak Chak. First we will prepare the dough. For this take 300 grams of wheat flour, Maida in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, 100 grams of melted unsalted butter, 1 egg. Mix all the ingredients well and knead the dough. Take 90 ml of milk and add little by little to the dough while kneading. Put the dough in a plastic bag and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out from the plastic. Cut into small pieces and roll up them to the equal size balls. Sprinkle the working surface with flour and place one of the dough ball and roll it out. Do not roll too thin. Make it 2 mm thickness. Now cut it into small squares approximately 6-7 centimeters as I'm showing. Now make incisions on each piece perpendicular, leaving 5 mm from the edge. Now fold the pieces and fix them from both sides as I'm showing. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Chack-chak is an oriental sweet made from deep-fried slice of dough mixed with honey or sugar syrup. In Uzbek cuisine, the chack-chak is considered as one of the most popular sweets. It's prepared in the holidays and served as a several festive sweets or evening tea with guests. Now we will prepare sugar syrup. Take 150 grams of sugar. Add 100 ml of water and boil it. Sugar syrup should not be thick, enough to be light caramel in color. If the syrup becomes thicker, after cooling it will turn into sugar crystals. Now switch off the stove and remove the syrup to the side. Now pour enough oil into the pan to fry the chack-chak. When the oil heated enough, add the chack-chak and fry them on both sides over medium heat until it becomes light golden in color. Do not let it darken. The chack-chak looks beautiful when it's light golden color. We have fried all the chack-chak. Now dip them well into sugar syrup each. Spread sugar syrup around. Repeat the same process for all chack-chak. If you leave the chack-chak in sugar syrup a little longer, it will lose crispness. Therefore, we do everything fast. So, our chack-chak is ready. You can use condensed milk or chocolate syrup instead of sugar syrup. And the taste will be different depending on the type of syrup. My favorite is chack-chak with condensed milk. You can decorate with grated dried fruits, almonds and cashew nuts. And our chack-chak is completely ready. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel.